Tell us your name and when did you join ISSC research team? Hi everyone, my name is Yang Liu. I'm currently a doctoral candidate at Penn State University. I joined ISSC research team in early 2019.
Hello everyone, I'm Xinrui Xu. I was a senior career services consultant at Purdue University when I first joined the NCDA ISC team in July 2019 at the NCDA annual conference in Houston. Currently, I'm assistant professor at the School of Education at Huazhong University of Science and Technology.
Hi everyone, I'm Hongshan. I'm also the doctoral candidate at Penn State in Counselor Education and Supervision Program. I joined the ISSC research team since 2020.
Why did you join ISSC research team? I joined the research team when I was in my second year of my master's program in counselor education. I was doing a career counseling master's program, and for one of the classes, I was doing research on international students' career development, and I was very interested in supporting international students because I myself am an international student as well. So I came across the best practice guide as well as the survey study that was done by the research team. And I thought I have to join this team because there I'll find my people and I'll be able to really connect with professionals in the US who have great ideas and different best practices.
Yeah, for me, I wrote a proposal with a colleague of mine, got admitted to the 2019 conference, and then I met the ISSC people. It was just so amazing to meet other, practitioners and researchers who work with and care about international population. On my campus, I was the international student specialist in the career center. And most of the time means that it was mostly me who were working on, projects, programming, services. And it was really, really awesome to meet a group of professionals who have the same passion, care about the same population, and have so many great things that they're doing on their campus and in their practices and their research. It was just so nice. And so I decided to join the NCDA ISSC team. And I tried out a few different groups, a few different committees, and decided to spend most of my time on the research team while also supporting other teams.
So I'm an international student, a doctoral student with a specialty and research interest in career counseling and development. So this committee is an ideal place for me to join.
How have you been engaged in the team? When I first joined the team, we were just starting a new research project. It was a participatory action research project that explores the multicultural and social justice advocacy competencies of career counselors and career development professionals working with international students. So it was my very first research experience from the beginning to the end. From that experience, I was learning about how to do the research. So the previous co-lead of the research team provided training for all of us to be on the same page and learn about the research process. And we also did individual interviews with career development professionals and later analyzed the data, doing some presentations at NCDA conferences to share our research findings. And now we're in the final writing process to finish our manuscript.
So I think I joined the ISSC team around probably similar to where Yang did. And for me, I think my first year was really starting to learn a lot of things from our colleagues back then. And then 2021, Yang and I became the co-lead for our research team. And it was definitely a great experience for us. I mean, together. I probably can speak this on behalf of Yang as well, that we got the opportunity to learn how to run a committee, how to make it inclusive, but also, you know, still try to carry on some of the previous projects and getting into the process of wrapping it up while starting some new projects where I think Hongshan will talk about later about their amazing survey project. So for me, I've been engaged with this team through so many different levels, and it feels like a great growth for me.
So when I joined this committee, the previous project is in writing stage. So me and some other new members will really think about what we want to do or what can we contribute to this research team. And during this time, we really think about a previous survey did by the research team. And Yang mentioned that before as well. So there are a few years after, we want to see if there's the same situation for them. So we start thinking about to replicate that survey project. But after that, we gradually develop that survey to a research question. We really want to explore the queerness of international students with the new background, COVID contact and the social political environment influence. Now here we are now, I'm co-lead the survey project with another member.
What has been the highlight of your experience in the team?
For me, it was really awesome, like I shared earlier, to have the space and can work with so many amazing colleagues across the country who work on different campuses, have different roles in their work, but all care about international students' career development. And it was also very nice to transfer my experience and thoughts from practice into some research project and learn from other people about their experience and see how we work together, especially with the participatory action research project, to see how together we can contribute, a deeper and better understanding about international student career development and the experiences of career counselor, career practitioners who are working with this population. So that was really the best part, is to be part of a meaningful project with awesome people.
I would definitely agree with Rose. I think this is definitely a great community with great people here. And just to add to what Rose has shared, I think one highlight for me was when we were doing our research project, we were not just doing the research, we're also reflecting on our own practice. How can we develop better services for international students? How can we really grow in multicultural and social justice competencies? So it was constantly, we had constant conversations about our own reflections and how we can improve. And that has really helped me a lot. Who should join ISSC research team?
So anyone who is interested in career counseling, international student population, and research are welcomed to join us. In our research team, we do have master students, doctoral students, faculty and practitioners with different level involvement. Like we have different people work on the manuscript writing, but we also have practitioners doing the presentations. Some of us will do the interview. So anyone are welcomed to join us. We are looking forward to meet with you.